So if we're asked to divide surds, what we do, so in this one it's 7 over root 13 minus root 11. What we do is something called rationalising the denominator. So if we rationalise something, it means we're getting rid of the square roots that are in there. And the denominator is obviously the bottom. So what we do for this one, so it's 7 over root 13 minus root 11. What we do is we multiply, but we change the sign. We multiply by the bottom, except we change the middle sign. So we're multiplying by root 13 plus root 11. Now, the reason we can do this is if you think about it, 5 over 5 is 1. 10 over 10 is 1. X over x is 1. So this is actually just multiplying by 1. So we're not actually changing the sum. So that's why we can do that. So 7 by root 13 is 7 root 13. 7 by root 11 is 7 root 11. Now on the bottom, and you might want to use a rough work column for the bottom then. So what we want to do is we're multiplying root 13 minus root 11 by root 13 plus root 11. So split up your first bracket, multiply it by the second, and then take the second thing in your first bracket and multiply it by the second as well. So it's root 13 by root 13. A root multiplied by itself is always 13. So root 13, so this is where if we're multiplying 2, so root 13, we're going to multiply that by root 11. You just multiply the two numbers, so 13 by 11 is 143, so that's root 143. Then it's going to be, so that's this bit and this bit, minus root 11 by root 13 is minus root 143, and minus root 11 by plus is minus root 11 by root 11 is 11. So what will always happen, because we're rationalising the denominator, is these two will cancel out. 13 take away 11 is 2. So on the bottom, it's just over 2. So if I have 7 root 13 on the top and 7 root 11, so add them together, that's not going to simplify, and it's just over 2, so that's your final answer. So that's all that we can do there.